The universe is an astonishing place, full of mysteries and unexplained phenomena. For millennia, we humans have craned our necks skyward, searching for answers among the stars. In this video, we'll explore 10 incredible facts about the universe that continue to captivate scientists and astronomers. Imagine a universe constantly in motion, stretching outwards since the dawn of time. This reality was confirmed by Edwin Hubble's groundbreaking observations in the 1920s. Hubble found that galaxies are moving away from each other. The farther away a galaxy is, the faster it's receding from us. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos and gave birth to the Big Bang theory. Black holes. These celestial objects, born from the death throes of massive stars, are regions of space-time where gravity's pull is cranked up to 11. Imagine a star, many times more massive than our Sun, collapsing in on itself. As it collapses, its gravity intensifies, squeezing its mass into an infinitely small point known as a singularity. Surrounding this singularity is the event horizon, the point of no return. And what happens inside a black hole? That remains one of the greatest mysteries of the universe. Our universe has a birthday, and it's quite the celebration. 13.8 billion years ago, our universe burst into existence in a fiery cataclysm we call the Big Bang. To grasp the enormity of this timescale, imagine compressing the entire history of the universe into a single calendar year. On this cosmic calendar, the Big Bang occurs at the stroke of midnight on January 1st. Humans? We don't show up until the last few seconds of December 31st. Atoms, the universe's indestructible building blocks. In the universe, matter is never truly gone. It just transforms. This fundamental truth is enshrined in the law of conservation of energy. Every atom that makes up your body, the air we breathe, the earth beneath our feet, and the stars in the night sky, they've all been around since the Big Bang. They've been recycled countless times, forged in the hearts of stars, scattered across the cosmos in supernova explosions. You are, quite literally, stardust. A galactic dance. Billions of years in the making. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is on a collision course with our galactic neighbor, Andromeda. This cosmic smash-up won't happen for another 4 billion years. But the gravitational dance has already begun. Like celestial ballet dancers, the Milky Way and Andromeda are being drawn together by their mutual gravitational attraction. Over eons, their graceful spiral arms will become increasingly distorted, eventually merging in a spectacular display of cosmic fireworks. The Milky Way as we know it is destined for a dramatic makeover billions of years from now. A star's mass, the cosmic blueprint of destiny. Stars, those twinkling beacons scattered across the night sky, may seem eternal, but they too have lifespans. Take our Sun, a fairly average star. It will live for billions of years, gradually fusing hydrogen into helium in its core. But eventually, our Sun will exhaust its nuclear fuel, swelling into a red giant before shrinking down to a white dwarf. Massive stars, however, live fast and die young, exploding as supernovae. These stellar explosions seed the universe with heavy elements, the building blocks of planets and life. Looking up at the night sky is like peering back in time. The light from distant stars and galaxies takes time to reach us, meaning that the farther away an object is, the older the light we're seeing from it. The most distant object ever observed lies a staggering 13.4 billion light-years away. When we gaze at this faint smudge of light, we're witnessing the universe as it was just 400 million years after the Big Bang. It's a testament to the power of telescopes and our ability to unravel the secrets of the early universe. The elusive nature of dark matter. The universe is full of mysteries, but few are as perplexing as dark matter. The visible matter we see around us, stars, planets, galaxies, only accounts for a tiny fraction of the total mass in the universe. The rest, a whopping 85%, is made up of something we can't see or interact with directly: dark matter. We know it's there because of its gravitational effects on galaxies and galaxy clusters. Scientists are still trying to figure out what dark matter is made of, but its existence has profound implications for our understanding of the universe's structure and evolution. Unraveling the shape of the universe. Is the universe shaped like a sphere, a saddle, or is it flat like a sheet of paper? Recent observations suggest that the universe is remarkably flat, meaning that parallel lines will never meet no matter how far they extend. A flat universe will continue expanding forever, albeit at an ever-decreasing rate. The universe, vast as it is, may be infinite, stretching out endlessly in all directions. Are we alone in the cosmos? The universe is vast, teeming with billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, many orbited by planets. While we've yet to find definitive proof of extraterrestrial life, the sheer number of stars and planets suggests that the ingredients for life may be common throughout the cosmos. Perhaps on some distant world, orbiting a star light years away, life has taken hold and evolved in ways we can only imagine. The search for life beyond Earth is one of the most profound endeavors of our time. Keep exploring the cosmos. From the expanding universe to the mysteries of dark matter, we've only scratched the surface of what there is to know about the cosmos. The universe is a vast and awe-inspiring place, full of wonders that continue to challenge our understanding and ignite our imaginations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Let's keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep searching for answers among the stars.